How to view the About section on Facebook. In today's video, I'll show you how to view the About section on a Facebook profile if it's missing in the app. Let's get started. With Facebook's latest app layout, the About section is no longer shown directly on many profiles and pages. Instead, you'll usually see options like Photos, Reels, and other tabs. To access the About section, open a web browser on your phone and sign into your Facebook account. Next, tap the three-dot menu in your browser and enable Desktop Site or Request Desktop Website. Once the desktop version of Facebook loads, search for the profile you want to view and open it. You should now be able to access the About section and view the available profile information. Keep in mind that this method works as long as the profile owner hasn't restricted or hidden their information with privacy settings. That's it. That's how you can view the About section on Facebook when it isn't available in the mobile app. If you found this tutorial helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.